Hello writers, if you're searching for a platform or a video that will tell you about how to cite your document in APA7 format, then congrats, you are on a right platform. Here I will tell you how to cite your document in APA7 externally, as there is no option provided in Word to cite document in APA7 format. As here you can see, document APA6 edition is present but APA7 is missing. So the site we will use for citing our document is Cite for me, and the search engine that we're going to use for searching the literature basically is Google Scholar. Both of the site and search engine can be accessed by clicking or searching on a Google in a single click. Okay. First of all, I will just adjust my screen so that I can perform all the action visibly. And here is the Google search engine, and now I will just copy a keyword or the topic of my document and paste it in search engine of search bar of Google Scholar. And here you can see all preferable literature regarding organizational wellness are present. I will just copy that document and simply paste it in this new reference, add new reference option. As you can see here, a large number of options are present that include website, journals and books, and you can select it according to the source you are going to cite in your document. So as you can see, I have just copied the name of Google Scholar. You can say that is a journal article. So I will select a journal from this option. I will just paste that title, and here the document is present. By clicking on complete, I will just cite all this information mentioned over here. And here you can see, by moving down, I just complete citation. And here the reference is present. You can just copy it and paste it in your document so that citation could be easily added into the document. And here we go. Moreover, one other thing I will just mention it over here is adding the bibliography. And here is, you can add another one from here, references. It will say that there's no document or there's no source present. So we will copy the bibliography from here, from Cite for me, Cite. Just copy it and paste it in this box. And here we go. So guys, that was the format to cite a document in APA7 format, and if you want further details, you can text me or comment below for further details. And like and share my video and subscribe my channel for more information and